Dupli-Color Tire Paint, week 11. I hope y'all are doing well. I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. This is week 11, okay? I'm gonna put a pH neutral soap on this really quick. We're gonna scrub it down with our brush, spray it off, bring y'all in, dry it off, whatever. You guys know the drill, so here we go. I love this Axle 2000 by Merrilex. I love how awesome it just, oh, the work time, look at this. I mean, it is just phenomenal. Oh my word. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit there. I hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody's doing well. I know there's a lot of commotion and stress going on in the world right now, and I just hope everybody's doing well and enjoying the little things in life and enjoying their family. So anyways, with that said, Dupli-Color Tire Paint, week 11. I can't say how awesome this stuff is, especially stretching the dollar out now. It's acrylic based. It lets the tires breathe. It's $6.99 at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart. You can find it on Amazon for $14.99, I think. They have a clear version. I'm going to do a how-to video on the clear version later. So, but we're going to get to this before we lose the sunlight. So here we go. Clean the rims up a little bit. All right, there we go. It doesn't cause browning. Like I said, it's acrylic based, lets the tire breathe. I can get at least more than 50 tires out of one can using a foam applicator. Here we go, pressure washer, gonna rinse off. Here we go. Another thing about this stuff, when you apply it and it's warmer weather, it will not sling. It dries so fast to the touch. I cannot even tell you how fast it really dries to the touch. It's just great value for the price. Clean hand, clean hand. All right, I'll bring y'all in, let y'all see it. I'm not gonna drag this out. We're gonna do the Dupli-Color Clear next. There y'all go, week 11. Put 1.5 coats on this baby. Still looking really good. I appreciate y'all. Enjoy your families. Stay safe. Keep it simple. I'll catch you next time. Bye.